Alright, so today we're going to be looking at some keycaps from Glorious. Now these aren't new, but I really wanted to make a video about them because, well, they look sick. Now I have two colorways, Nebula and Ocean. I'm only showing off the Ocean ones because that's the one I like the most, but I also have a video coming up for the other colorway, so I just want to keep them in the box. Now about the keycaps, these are cherry profile, dye sub PBT, no shine through, and the price is $50. Now the legends of the keycaps are centered, which you either like or you don't. I personally don't mind it. It's like SA keycaps, but cherry. They are a little thin as far as the thickness, but I think it gives off a really nice sound. The feel they have is different. They're more smooth than anything, but they do have a really light texture. Honestly, I haven't felt many keycaps like these, so I kind of like it. All in all, I do think that these are really nice keycaps. The look of them are really nice, and I really like the feel when typing. Now you can argue they aren't worth the $50 price tag, but honestly, that's up to you.